Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so importantly for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. If today the first time you are coming across us, or you are hearing our voice for the first time, we still remain your one and only, ever ready, bringing it to you, as you all know. So, my wonderful family, without not wasting much of your time, today I just want us to do quick.
To expose the Pandora document or the Pandora papers of Peter Obi. I want to make it very clear. Peter Obi, as an Igbo man, I do not have anything against Peter Obi personally. But as a Biafra agitator, and Peter Obi being an Igbo man contesting an election in Nigeria, I have problem with Peter Obi. And for those who always try to write me to stop talking about Peter Obi, I will not stop talking about Peter Obi until Peter Obi stop dragging Igbo name to Nigeria presidential election. I want all of you to listen to the man you call Peter Obi. We come with evidence. We don't make allegation against anybody. When we talk with evidence. So I have come to show you the evidence of Peter Obi coming to become a president because he do not have enough money. So he wants his own share. So I want everybody to illegal purchase of properties overseas while you were in the office. And I want you to listen because you know, before we go into this addressing this issue now, I want you to know why this case we're not taking serious. Now, before we go into analyzing this OB, I want you all to understand that I can never. So they don't want it to, they don't want people to talk about it. Otherwise, ask yourself, is this a defense? Is what Obi said now a defense? Because he's not telling you that a banker advised him. So do you understand what I'm saying? Excuses is not acceptable in criminal offense. I don't know if it's an excuse. Somebody advised me. It's not an excuse. After all, the people who facilitate the offshore account and all that are bankers. So the question is, this particular investment of Obi, does it violate Nigerian law? That is the question. You know, when you say you invested in Nigeria, everybody will say, oh, leave him. Yes, after all, he invested it in Nigeria. He didn't invest it in Nigeria. It's a lie. It's a lie. He didn't invest it in Nigeria. He has committed crime. The crime he committed is the crime of money laundering. He laundered the money. He will put the money in the saving of that account instead of because he know if he send the money directly to the company to use it, he will be busted. So what did he do? He first of all he put the money in an offshore as family saving and he used it to service debt. So let us say that he will borrow £1 million. He was boasting about borrowing, having overdraft of £1 million and all that. So he will now use the company to borrow, let's say, £1 million. And then he will use the offshore company to service the £1 million. Is that not money laundering? If that not what money laundering is, what else is money laundering? The money laundering is that you acquire wealth, you somehow you have money that is not genuine because the offshore company is definitely not a clean and not a public saving. So it is also a secret saving. And that secret saving is called the offshore. Now, for the fact that you open an offshore company against the Nigeria financial law or whatever they call it, you have committed a crime because the money there is not accounted for in Nigeria. And he went in his defense. He said he has paid over $20 million or so, or 20 billion or whatever in tax. Nobody cares about how much you pay in tax. What has happened here is that you have laundered money. Money laundering, complete. That's the definition of money laundering is this. This is the definition of money laundering. The definition of money laundering is that Obi have a company and Obi have an offshore account, which he called a trust account. And Obi is using a company to borrow money. And Obi move Anambra money to the offshore account, and they call it family savings for family planning. And Obi borrow the money. He will use the money in the trust account to furnish the borrowing. He will never repay back from that particular company. No. If money is coming to that account, it's coming as a savings account, as a savings from a different money. So it's not like he used that savings account to borrow the company so that company will pay back. Do you understand what I'm saying? So why am I doing this? I am doing this for you to understand that everybody that is interested in Nigeria politics are all criminals. All of them. From Obi to the lowest person, they are only targeting one thing. The reason for this exposition today is to tell you that anybody who comes to deceive you that Obi will get you Biafra, the person is a lunatic. And for you to understand that anybody who is talking about the Nigeria election, the person have one target. Only one target. Only one reason. Not to build electricity, not to build road, only one target. The target is more wealth, to enrich himself or herself. That's all. That is the reason why Obi is telling you that if he had such money, he will not be here. But it's a lie. Even if he have it, he will still come because he wants to be the richest man in Africa. Biafra. Our next fundraising for the Eastern Security Network is on the 16th of this month of July, 2022, starting from 7 p.m. The flyer will be out if it is not already out, and we want everybody, those who were part of the last fundraising, you inform other people to come and join this fundraising. Very, very important. The 50 men that will fund this movement for the next 5 months is also, I know that people are already showing interest, and we want 50 men and women. If you know that you are one of them that God have touched your heart, you make contact to any of the Umada, Anamazoka, myself, Ifi, or to any media team. And your information or your details will be confidential. If you do not want anybody to know about you, we promise you that your information will be completely confidential. Also, those of you who are making donations to the website of the ipobinusa.org/donate, when you receive a receipt, you will understand that in the receipt, at the end of this receipt, of the email confirmation you receive, you are going to see a link, that will take you to the 1,000 men and women support for the Eastern Security Network. So you go, if you want to join, you click that link. It is Telegram. It's going to take you directly to that particular platform, so you can continue to join these 1,000 men and women to donate $100 every month for the Eastern Security Network. I want you to understand that the protection and the defense of our land comes with price. The price is money. Our men need to eat food. They need to have what it will take to face the enemy, and we are going to provide that for them. So when you see us mapping out this strategy, we are not here to beg our people to carry arms. No, we have people that carry arms for you. We don't need to tell all Christians to carry arms like all this GEO they are doing that defend yourself. We are not here to do like Autumn. Autumn is telling people carry arms and defend yourself. No, we are 1,000 steps ahead of them. We are not going to fold our hand and see the Nigeria government and state-sponsored terrorism to come and kill our people and cleanse them and go away. Those people that are committing these atrocities in Obaro, they will hear from us very soon. That is what we have to promise them. We are not going to run away from our land. You can kill as you want, but one day you are going to pay the price of killing innocent people. Those of you in Ogbaro, those people in Ogbaro that are killing our youth in Ogbaro, you will regret it. You are going to regret killing our people in Anambra, in Ogbaro. And let me tell you, you are going to live with shame very soon. We are not going to fold our hand and watch this particular invasion and aggression against our people. It is going to end very soon. So the announcement has been made, and we want to also thank you all for your support so far, your prayers and support as we are approaching our march. Our march is fast coming. You need to be part of this. When we are talking about Biafra, you see that a lot of people, those criminals are no longer part of what we are doing. The time to march has come. So every day you say, we are talking. We are going to talk less now. So it is you that we are waiting for. If you know that you are part of them, you come up and sponsor and fund this particular movement and let us get to our destination. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu conditional release is what we continue to demand. And let me tell you, in matter of days, things will begin to happen. In matter of days. You people, we're going to see things will begin to happen. And I want to tell you all, those who want to be part of the, because we want this message to go to the entire Biafra state. And we need to have the voice of Biafra in all those states. For those who want to sponsor the voice of Biafra in Delta, in Rivers State, in Akwa Ibom State, in Cross River State, if you know you want to sponsor the voice of Biafra, you get to us and we're going to tell you, contact any of the media team and they're going to put you through. Contact me or any of Umada or any of the media team and they will put you through on what to do. It doesn't cost much, but we need this message to go to everybody because the time has come. We don't want our people not to listen to messages, especially instructions, and this radio must be provided to them so they will listen to instruction every day. Thank you very much. May God bless you. May God bless Biafra. May God bless Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. May God bless Eastern Security Network. May God bless Sunday Igboho. May God bless all the armed group for Biafra. May God bless those who are protecting our land and our borders. May God bless Umuada and all of you that are supporting this movement one way or the other. May God bless those who will join today. May God bless all of you. From here, from me, is good evening.
That brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you very much for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. Share the video and tell your friends about this platform because the best thing or the best place for you to be is here. Turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop a new boost like this, you'll be the first to notify. Thank you once again and remain blessed.